precious people, what is up? Hope you all are doing pretty well. This is your girl Win and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Sassy Leo. Today's video is all about a product review video after such a long time. मैंने इसे purchase किया है from Blinkit. Can you guys believe? Here is such a big packet of Blinkit. First is this shower gel, next is this nail polish remover, and the third product, that is the star of our show, is this lovely product. And this product is Rene Everyday Quick Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick, which is enriched with jojoba oil and vitamin E. It is my very first purchase from Rene Cosmetics. I guess first makeup purchase from Rene Cosmetics, because Rene Cosmetics के मैंने perfumes try किए हैं and the Bloom version, it is so good perfume. And I have heard somewhere that it is the dupe of Carolina. So yeah, by the way, talking about this lipstick, so I will be reviewing this product in this video, plus I will be doing its wear test. So if you want to know what I feel about this product, then please make sure you watch this video till the very end. But before moving ahead, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you're seeing this page for the very first time, hi, I'm the Sassy Leo, and I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the underneath red subscribe button into gray and hitting the bell icon besides it. And now without any further delay, let's just get up and get going. Guys, before moving ahead with this video, a quick little disclaimer that this is not at all a sponsored video. I purchased this pretty product using my own money, so whatever I say about this product are my 110% honest reviews about what and how I feel about it. So yeah, now without any further delay, let's start with the product review. Starting with the packaging of the product, so it comes in such kind of a cute little box which is in baby pink color and black color से इस पे सारे texts लिखे गए हैं. On the packaging itself, it is given the name of the product, all the information about the ingredients, the caution and the directions for use are also given on this packaging itself. Also, they tell you that it is PETA certified and follows global animal test policy. They also tell you that the MRP of this product is 99 rupees, लेकिन Blinkit पे मुझे ये मिला है for 92 rupees, and this is the mini version which has a volume of 1 ml. मुझे नहीं लगा था कि ये इतनी सी लिपस्टिक मिलेगी, because वहाँ पे कहीं भी mention नहीं था that you will get a mini version. इसका 2 ml का size is available on their website also. 2 ml of the product retails for 199 rupees. So yeah, that's that. Also they tell you the manufacturing as well as expiry date, that you can use this product from 5/2025, I think from May 2025 to April 2028. So yeah, approximately 3 to 4 years की इसकी shelf life है. Now let's dig in and see. Here is our product. Now the packaging, black cap, transparent bottle, इसमें से you can see the color of the lipstick. This packaging reminds me of Sugar Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. वो भी कुछ ऐसे ही tiny miny से आते थे. I had 4 of their shades, but I have used them completely. So yeah, Rene Cosmetics की website पे this product is available in 8 shades, लेकिन Blinkit पे मुझे सिर्फ 2 shades available दिखे हैं. And the one I have purchased is in the shade 01 Wine Charm, and जो second shade available था Blinkit पे, it was I think in brown tone. I was not sure कि brown shade मेरे skin tone पे जाएगा properly या नहीं, or else it will wash out. So I did not want to take a risk, इसलिए I have ordered this shade which is Wine Charm. Let me first show you the shade swatch. This is how the shade looks. Let's quickly move ahead with the application part. Alright guys, so I have lip balm on, इसीलिए I am dabbing off the excess lip balm using a tissue, and उसके बाद I am applying the product. जो भी description में details मुझे मिली है on Blinkit, I will share its screenshot on the screen. So yeah, I have already applied the lipstick as you can see. Now talking about the fragrance, so Yes, it definitely has a bubble gumish fragrance and I am focusing so much on Blinkit because मैंने इसे Blinkit से order किया है. Let's move ahead with what I feel about this product. So सबसे पहली चीज़, the description says that it gives a long lasting matte finish. सो ओके ये कितनी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है वो तो हमें वेयर टेस्ट में पता चल ही जाएगा. सो या कोर्स मैट फिनिश तो है, डेफिनेटली ट्रांसफर प्रूफ भी है ये. दे ऑल्सो टेल यू दैट इट हैज़ वन स्वाइप एप्लीकेशन. डेफिनेटली वन स्वाइप में ही काफ़ी अच्छा ओपेक पिगमेंटेशन मिलता है. As you have seen in the application part, they say that it has a lightweight formula. So definitely ये बहुत 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 ज़्यादा lightweight है. I am not feeling मैंने कुछ भी apply किया है on my lips. So yeah, it is extremely very comfortable on my lips. I have mentioned that it gives a soft soothing feel to the lips. Definitely काफ़ी ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट लग रहा है, कहीं पे भी केकी या फिर ड्राई फील नहीं हो रहा है मुझे अभी तक. दे ऑल्सो से दैट इट लास्ट्स फॉर अबाउट 5 to 8 hours. Let me tell you, currently the time is 4:01 p.m. and this is how the lipstick is looking. This is the fresh application of the product and I have makeup on right now. If you want to see how this lipstick looks on my bare skin, so मैं इसका shorts भी post करूँगी. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Now let's start with the wear test and हम around 6 to 7 hours का wear test करेंगे. Now I have not had lunch up till now, so I will have lunch and I shall see you in a bit. But before that, let me show you how this lipstick looks in sunlight. Guys, see, this is how the lipstick is looking in direct sunlight. Now let's just start with the wear test. This is how the lipstick is looking at 4 p.m. 4:06 p.m. Now I will go have lunch and उसके बाद we'll see how this lipstick performs. Guys, currently the time is 5. I am done with my lunch and I am in a little bit of hurry because I need to rush down to take my tuitions. But I am here to quickly show you how is the lipstick looking right now. How it looks after I am done with my lunch. I don't think the lipstick has budged even a bit. So yeah, that was an update I wanted to give you. I shall see you after I am done with my tea. So yes, hello my precious people, what is up? I am done with my tuitions and also had my tea and इस तरह से है lipstick की हालत. This is the situation going on right now. बस यहाँ से that is the center of lips. बस यहाँ से ही lipstick हट गई है, literally fade out भी नहीं बोलूँगी मैं, हट गई है लिपस्टिक. बाकी द लिपस्टिक इज क्वाइट इंटैक्ट. राइट नाउ द टाइम इज 7:15. अभी तक मुझे लिप्स ड्राई फील नहीं हो रहे हैं, विच इज़ रियली अ ग्रेट थिंग. हेलो माई प्रेशियस पीपल, डैम आई लुक टायर्ड. Well, I am tired because let me show you the time first. Currently the time is 11:55. I forgot to give updates about the lipstick because I went out and about and now I am back. Let me tell you, I ate a lot and this is the condition of the lipstick. I guess we applied this lipstick at 4. Currently it is almost 12. So yeah, it stayed pretty well for 8 hours. This is the condition. Let me make it very clear that I am the person who has the habit of reapplying lip balms because I don't keep my lips dehydrated, so I always keep them hydrated and moisturized. But today after applying this lipstick I have not applied lip balm even once. Honestly speaking, I did not feel any kind of need to apply my lip balm. So one thing is for sure, that this lipstick won't dry out your lips. And yeah, this is the condition after 8 hours. लिपस्टिक सिर्फ सेंटर ऑफ द लिप से गायब हुई है. Otherwise, on the periphery, the lipstick is still intact, and also I have washed my hands couple of times. Now talking about my reviews, so for me this lipstick comes in ultra affordable category. ठीक है, इसका 2 ml वाला पैक भी 199 में मिल जाता है, 8 शेड्स अवेलेबल है. ब्लिंकिट में आपको ये 92 रुपीज़ की मिल रही है. सो आई फील कि दिस इज़ perfect, absolutely perfect for everyday wear, and it is ultra affordable and its performance is amazing. So if you want, you may definitely give it a try. You won't be disappointed at all. And what else? I guess I have covered each and every point in today's video. Here comes the end of this review and wear test. हमने literally kept it for 8 hours straight. It is definitely a hit for me. So yeah, if you like such kind of videos, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials, link in the description bar below. Also write down in the comment section what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Until then, this is me Vin signing off. I'll see you on in my next video. Bye.